Hi, so today I'm in one of Sheffield's ancient woodlands on my daily walk, and just wanted to take this opportunity in April when the bluebells are out to show you the differences between some of the bluebell species we find. This follows on from Julie Riley's recent video on ancient woodland indicator plants that you can see, and this is a native British bluebell or English bluebell, which is one of those ancient woodland indicator plants. And it's an indicator of ancient woodland because it takes a long time to spread, and it's important because Britain holds most of the world population of this bluebell, and it's the only country in the world to have the lovely carpets of bluebell that you see at this time of year. So if you are lucky enough to live near a woodland locally and can reach it on your daily walk, then do take the opportunity to come out and see these fantastic flowers. Be careful not to trample them. The leaves, are quite sensitive to trampling. Now, the features of this native species are this lovely dark purple colour, and the flowers droop over to one side. They're quite delicate, and the pollen is white, and they have a lovely delicate scent. The leaves are quite fine, and they grow in these carpets. And in comparison, what you have in this woodland, it's an interesting spot, is you also have next to them is the non-native variety, Spanish bluebell. Now you can see the differences. These are fatter flowers, blue pollen. They grow upright with the flowers all around the stem, not just on one side, without that nice delicate drooping. The stems are often fatter, and the leaves are fatter as well. There are quite a few different varieties of garden bluebell. There can be different colours, pink, white. And the thing is, between these two species, we'll just come back to this one again, is that they can actually hybridize the two species. So you do get some that look in between, and it can be hard to tell if they're hybrids or the native species. There's one here showing the nice drooping pattern of a native, quite delicate. So as we want to preserve this species, to say that we have the world's population in this country for future generations to enjoy, we encourage people to, if they want to purchase bluebells for their garden, to purchase British bluebells, English bluebells, check the packaging carefully, especially if you do live near a woodland site where there may be the native ones, to prevent hybridisation. And also be aware of garden waste going into woodlands, because that can contain all sorts of seeds and things from non-native species that we don't want to mix with our native species, particularly ones like this that could hybridise. So do get out if you can, safely, and enjoy the bluebells this week if you can, while they're still in the peak time.